We have a problem with the range hood. When it's turned off, air from the neighbors flows back in, and we can smell everything they're cooking in our room. We'll solve this problem with a backdraft damper, a device that allows air to flow in only one direction. The additional issue is that the standard damper size is 125 millimeters, while the wall vent opening is 120 millimeters. So we need to modify the damper's inlet to fit 120 millimeters. We'll do this by heating the plastic inlet part of the damper and reshaping it into a conical form using pliers. We will clean the inner part of the wall opening from any irregularities so that our modified damper can fit more easily into the 120 millimeter opening. Once that's done, we'll apply glue or silicone around the edge of the conical part and insert the damper into the wall opening. It should be positioned so that the larger part of the damper is at the bottom and the damper sits horizontally. After the glue dries, we check whether the damper works by turning on the range hood. The damper works as it should. When air blows from the range hood, the flap opens, and when the airflow stops, the flap closes and prevents air from the vent from coming back into our room. We check once more to make sure everything works properly, and we see that the range hood is pulling the fumes nicely. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Best regards.